new RadioMaster T8L is a new portable 10-channel radio. To add to the portability, the joysticks are stored in the rear. Now when you look at the RadioMaster T8L, the shape and design might remind you of the DJI FPV Remote Controller 3. Even the button layout of both radios is somewhat similar. But the similarities stop there because the RadioMaster T8L is a professional programmable radio. The gimbals are the latest quad-bearing Hall effect gimbals. The left joystick automatically drops to the bottom, and unlike the DJI remote, the T8L has 5-way LED trim buttons. In addition, there's a multi-function button for programming the radio, and of course there's a power button. Now let's take a closer look. We have an SD button which acts like a momentary button. Next, the SC switch is a 3-way switch. The USB port is for flight sims, charging, or programming the radio, and the S1 dial is a potentiometer. Next, moving to the other side, the SB switch is a 3-way switch. The SA button is a momentary button, and the SE button is a latch button, so you can use this as an on and off button. The RadioMaster T8L is powered by two 18650 batteries, and those batteries are not included. You will need to provide them yourself. Once you add batteries to the RadioMaster T8L, it's ready for use. But if you want to program the RadioMaster T8L, you then need to connect the T8L to your PC via a USB cable. Then open up your Chrome web browser and go to the address shown on screen. Then select RadioMaster T8L and you'll be connected. Now your radio will act as if it had a built-in screen and you were running something like Edge TX. You can make all the changes you want using this interface, and everything is self-explanatory. You can even do firmware updates via this interface. Total weight of the RadioMaster T8L with 2 batteries is 300 grams. Other items included in the box would be the quick start guide, a USB cable for charging, flight sims, or data programming. You also receive springs in case you want to adjust the joysticks. And finally, you receive a sheet of RadioMaster stickers. If you wish to use the RadioMaster T8L with a flight sim, just plug a USB cable in the top, the other end into your PC, then power this unit on. So let me show you how well it is in action. I'll just click on a flight sim here. Here's flying around rocks, and here we go. I'll get the remote out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. There we go, we'll go fly down in between these rocks. And then do a little bit of freestyle up, a little rotation, go over the rocks, come on back, full speed, we'll do a loop. At the ground and up the mountain face and around. Okay, freezing cold morning. It's like -5 degrees Celsius, pretty frosty out. I got my bare hands. I'm gonna take the Dolly Fly 16 for a fly. I can't even speak here. And I have the RadioMaster with me, and I'm gonna try out this controller, see how good it is. Here we go. So I'm in air mode. Let's go. Whoa, hands are shaky. All right, let's go to the guys out in the field. Try not to get hit by a plane as I'm going around them. So the joysticks, a little stiff on this one here. Stiff in a good way. They're not loose flopping around. They're nice and stiff. So in other words, when you release them, they're like bouncing back to the center, which is a good thing. Because if I release the right one, let me just do it. There we go. I can fly perfectly well with the left one. Ooh, a plane up there. Cool. If it wasn't so cold out, I could then fly this a little bit better. But right now it's just much too cold. Everything's freezing. Even the battery in this little quad is freezing. It's saying, I am frozen. So what do I think about this radio? I think it's pretty good. I think it's pretty good indeed. It seems to work really well. I don't think anybody's going to have an issue with it. It's perfect for the price, and everything seems to work on it. All right, let's come on down. Well, actually, I guess everybody wants to see if I have enough power to do one little loop, little freestyle loop. Yeah, there we go. So perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. All right, let's come back and land this baby. Okay, so you're back to me. Let me tell you a little bit more about the RadioMaster T8L. Well, it comes in 3 colors. I have the gray version, it also comes in blue, and it also comes in white. As you discovered from my review, it is ELRS, which makes it compatible with almost everything modern day. It is designed to be very simple, portable, and budget friendly. Certainly to keep the costs low, there is no display in this baby, but there is the web-based tool as I showed in this video. But you really don't have to use that. If you're just a newbie and you want an ELRS radio, this is perfect. So now, like in every video, let me give you my negatives and positives. So negative number one would be that on the back, you'll see there's no area to place a module. You can't put Crossfire back here. You can't put a 4-in-1 module. It is ELRS and it will stay ELRS. The only other negative is the output. It's only 100 milliwatts, but 100 milliwatts in ELRS means you get a 3-kilometer range, and most of us never fly farther than 3 kilometers with FPV drones, helicopters, or planes. So now let me tell you my positives. What do I really like about this? What I really like is that it's small and it actually has 10 channels. Not only that, all the buttons on here are all the buttons a guy like me would ever want for a plane, an FPV drone, or a helicopter. Third positive, excellent gimbals. The gimbals on here are really good. I know I mentioned they're stiff, but I kind of like the stiffness because I can actually release them and my drone just keeps on flying straight. Next positive, you just press one button to bind to any FPV drone or any ELRS device you want, which is sweet. So I'm going to place a link below to where it's sold on the RadioMaster website. It will be sold on other websites as well as time goes on, but go pick your color. You have the gray, the white, or the blue. All right, so that ends this really short review. If you have questions on this product, post your questions below and I'll get back to you. But for now, I say thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll catch you in a future video review with many more cool products. Until then, I say bye.